asking for help in a clothing store. Hi there, can I help you find something? Hi there, can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket. Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
Any particular style or color? Any particular style or color?
Something casual, maybe black or dark blue. Something casual, maybe black or dark blue.
We've got a few options over here. What size do you wear? We've got a few options over here. What size do you wear?
Medium, I think, but I'm not completely sure. Medium, I think, but I'm not completely sure.
No problem. Let's try a medium first. Here's a black one. No problem. Let's try a medium first. Here's a black one.
Thanks. Can I try it on? Thanks. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are just behind you, on the left. Of course, the fitting rooms are just behind you, on the left.
Great, I'll be right back. Great, I'll be right back.
Trying clothes and asking questions. How does it fit? How does it fit?
It's okay, but a bit tight around the shoulders. It's okay, but a bit tight around the shoulders.
Do you want to try a larger size? Do you want to try a larger size?
Yes, do you have a large? Yes, do you have a large?
Let me check. Yes, here's a large in the same style. Let me check. Yes, here's a large in the same style.
Thanks, I'll try this one. Thanks, I'll try this one.
Sure, take your time. Sure, take your time.
This one's much better. It's more comfortable. This one's much better. It's more comfortable.
It looks good on you too. It looks good on you too.
Thanks, I'll take it. Thanks, I'll take it.
Perfect. Would you like to pay at the register or here? Perfect. Would you like to pay at the register or here?
At the register, do you accept card? At the register, do you accept card?
Yes, we take both cash and card. Yes, we take both cash and card.
Great, I'll pay with my card. Great, I'll pay with my card.
Asking about prices and discounts. Excuse me, how much is this sweater? Excuse me, how much is this sweater?
That one is $39. That one is $39.
Is it on sale? Is it on sale?
Yes, there's a 20% discount today. Yes, there's a 20% discount today.
Oh, great. Are all colors included in the sale? Oh, great. Are all colors included in the sale?
Yes, the whole collection is discounted. Yes, the whole collection is discounted.
Perfect. Can I return it if it doesn't fit? Perfect. Can I return it if it doesn't fit?
Yes, within 14 days with the receipt. Yes, within 14 days with the receipt.
Returning or exchanging an item. Hi, I bought this shirt last week, but it's too small. Hi, I bought this shirt last week, but it's too small.
Do you have the receipt with you? Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Would you like a refund or an exchange? Would you like a refund or an exchange?
An exchange, if possible. Do you have it in a larger size? An exchange, if possible. Do you have it in a larger size?
Let me check. Yes, here's a size up. Let me check. Yes, here's a size up.
That's great. Can I try it on first? That's great. Can I try it on first?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there. Of course, the fitting room is right over there.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything else. No problem. Let me know if you need anything else.
What is the correct word order for a yes or no question using do? A. You have this in blue. B. Do you this in blue have? C. Do you have this in blue? D. Have you do this in blue? Which sentence uses the modal verb can correctly for offering help? A. Can I helping you? B. Can I help you? C. I can help you. D. I help you can. Which sentence shows the correct use of the present perfect? A. I am waiting since 10 minutes. B. I wait for 10 minutes. C. I have been waiting for 10 minutes. D. I was waited 10 minutes. Which sentence uses a comparative adjective correctly? A. This one is more better. B. This one is much better. C. This one more good. D. This one is very better. Choose the grammatically correct negative form using have to. A. I don't have to pay now. B. I haven't to pay now. C. I no have to pay now. D. I'm not have to pay now. Which sentence correctly uses the future with will? A. I will take it. B. I take it will. C. Will I taking it. D. I will to take it.